All right, hello. My name is Kyle Carter. I'm from Wilmington, North Carolina, and I am a junior here at App State. Um, my major is nutrition and dietetics. My plan when I graduate is probably to just get into a dietetic program, do whatever I can with that, and hopefully work for. I would be all right with working anywhere. My number one choice would be working as a dietitian or nutritionist for a professional sports team. That would be ideal. Um, my backup plan, if that doesn't work out with a dietitian, would probably just be to open my own nutrition practice or maybe combine it with a gym somehow, figure out something to do with that. Um, one thing I hope to learn in this class, um, I guess just overall what goes into managing when it comes to food service. I've worked in food service for a couple years now, so I want to see how much work the managers are really putting in and how much they have to do. Um, something interesting or unique about me, I guess I can solve a Rubik's Cube and juggle, so I guess that those are pretty interesting. Yeah, that's about it.